Alright, so you are officially on this Python journey. Exciting, right? But wait, before we start writing code and building cool projects, we need to make sure Python is actually on your system. I mean, you don't start cooking without a stove, right? Before we download anything, let's check if Python is already on your system. Some computers come with Python pre-installed, especially if you are on Mac OS or Linux. Unfortunately, guys, I don't have any Mac OS or Linux operating system. I only have Windows operating system. So if you are a Mac OS user or Linux user, so you can the detailed process of Python installation guideline is given in the description below. So check it if you are a Linux user or Mac OS user. And to check in the Windows operating system, first open your command prompt and write python dash dash version. So congrats guys, if you see this after typing this command in the command prompt, that means you have already installed Python installed into your system. And if you don't have this, if it shows otherwise, then don't worry, follow me to the next step. To install Python into your system, go to your browser, whatever browser you are using, Chrome or Brave, and write python.org. Go to downloads and download Python. After completing after downloading this Python, open it and click here, and it will automatically add your path variable into your system. And now I already have installed Python installed in my system, so I'm not gonna reinstall it. So, and if it doesn't automatically add your path variable into your system, then don't panic. Go to where you have downloaded Python and installed Python, copy its file path location, search edit system environment variables, go to environment variables, select path, click edit and click new, paste it again, click new, paste it, slash scripts. So now you have learned how to add path variables into your system. So now it's time to check if Python is actually installed into our system. Now that we have successfully installed Python into our system, now we need a place to write code. Personally, I use VS Code, but you guys can use other IDEs, and the download link of VS Code is given in the description box. So if you want to use VS Code, go download it and install it like you install other softwares. After installing VS Code, open a folder. After opening a folder, you will see this kind of file structure, and click here, new files, write file name. I'm gonna name it main and give its extension name .py. Now guys, Python files always comes with this extension name, that is .py. If you write .c or .js, it's not gonna be a Python file. .js means it's a JavaScript file. C means it's a C program file. And to make a Python file structure, you have to give it its extension, and that is .py. And after creating this file, write print first bracket quotation and write hello world or hello world, save it, and run it. Now you can see in the terminal here it's printed hello world. So congrats guys, you have successfully installed Python into your system and write your very first Python programming language code. Now your system is ready for coding. In the next lecture we will learn about anatomy of the Python programming language. So stay tight and curious. See you on the next chapter guys.